Whoa, mama, Jano, mama. Oh, this is devastating. Look, suppose somebody was here. Jano Star. It's a good thing, so we don't evacuate from early. Whoa. Oh, in there, banga. Jano Star. Come true. See? Is this what happening in Portland, Western? Whoa, oh God. Donut man house, yeah. Great donut man house, you know. I tell you, Jano Star. So you secure all the documents and stuff like that?
Birth paper and stuff?
Yeah.
Man,
oh, okay. Good.
With it there now.
Okay.
Freddie?
Oh, yeah, man. Freddie, I'm my cousin.
Okay, around there with it.
Oh.
This is a disaster. Last night, me a year what going for me.
You just...
Died, them couldn't to know.
Okay. Well, the greatest thing in life, you know. Yeah, greatest thing, you know, the move cards.
Yeah,
As much as me anticipate it, me never know, say. You done so rough, trust me. Because listening to the news, they said that Portland won't get it so, you know. But definitely, we can see everything here now, so. Let's go around and checking on other persons, see what going on around. It's devastating, trust me. I never seen nothing like this before. Yeah, man. Yes, you go on with you on this time now.
Well, as you can see, damage right here, you know?
Yeah, rooftop gone. Yeah. So, how you end up, Ado?
I left out of this early.
I left out of early. Alright, see? Right now, looking at this house. Rooftop gone. Tree limb upon the house top and thing. Yeah, man, I go come in. Alright, so right now, I'm there. Big on our shows right now. I tell you.
Mash up. Well, I fret last night up pure.
I know, Mr.
Yeah. You know so, come in so.
You know so?
You know your stuff.
Jeez, whoa. Alright, good morning, good day to each and everyone. I don't know what time you will be seeing this video, but I'm reporting live from my yard. Yeah, so I'm just report live, say safe and secure, you know what I mean? Wake up this morning and thing. Nothing to do the house, but a lot of trees are down and things. So I just check around now and see what going on in the place. I may show you what going around the house also in terms of the trees them going down. Alright, so right now the little truck here. Roadblock right there, so a tree right there, so tear down same way. Breadfruit tree. Each up on the ackee tree and thing. And my Uncle Philip about to take on the road, you know, and check out and see what the clock strike out there. So right now we have to start some cleanup process so we can go down on the road. And Philip a chop through, you know. Oh, I mango tree this. Mango tree limb. Oh, mango tree limb tear down. Half of the mango tree right there, so I really give thanks to them tree, because them tree take a whole lot of breeze off of the house. Yeah, man, so mango tree. Also, I see jackfruit tree, piece of jackfruit tree limb gone up top there to see him here. And thing. See if I can zoom in. Yeah, but so far so good. We're safe and so on, no zinc, no lift. That's the greatest thing. Yeah, man, no zinc, no lift off and thing. So I chop through right there, man, to go through. We could have walked on the top side. Oh, so Philip clear the way. We're going down, we just hear from the neighbor, just sound them up and see them good and thing. Yeah, man. Yeah. Big piece of mango tree, let me drop down. Block up a walkway. Yeah, I tell you. I must in the last set of breeze them. Oh, what?
The tree you kind of block off some of my breeze off my house.
See, cinnamon tree tear down too.
That I lick it down.
All you light wire them bust down and everything. Well, give thanks. We have life this morning for come out. I tell them and them are the poster, them are ready. Chocolate tree down. Oh God, may I tell you. Farmer them I feel it, you know. Look at this, man. Look at this. All trees down. Yeah, road block up round us, all the chocolate tree down. Me a plan to me a come pick chocolate. Chocolate tree down. Yes, right about now, I just have to just walk through the place just so I'm done. Cause I tell you, it's a disaster. It's a disaster right now, trust me. I don't know see nothing yet. Yeah, so walk with them block up. What my uncle clear out and thing. As you can see him up there, so I chop out the chocolate tree out of the road up there, so you know, star. I see no rooftop blow off over there. No rooftop, I don't see blow off on the mission. I see over here, so like a roof lift a little bit over there, so I'm not so sure. But I'll check and see what's going on and thing. Alright, so I go down see him here. Got my machete here. We just chop out little limbs out of the way, see him here. And I make my way down. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Jaja. Yeah, no star. The bush life, you know? Yeah, man, bush life. I'm telling myself still, you know. I don't think I ride out the next time up here, so again, still, you know. Yeah, I tell you. Yeah, no star. Apple tree down right now. Apple tree right here, so it down. Farm them mash up. This is going to be a real setback. See? Apple tree block up the walkway here. But just can try go around this side. Farm them mash up. All banana trees, plantain trees down and thing. Yeah. Coffee tree down also. Yeah, man, this big mango tree collapse also. I'm telling you. This is the worst. Whoa. This is the worst. I tell you. This is the worst one. Experience some real heavy breeze. Trust me. So I'm going to know so life spare. Hunting any material thing get damaged along the way. No, that can be replaced, but your life can't be replaced. Wow. Hummingbird right here. Come out. Yeah, the morning is bright and beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Yeah, man. See? Next apple tree down, we have to go plant back apple tree. Wow. All the apple trees down. Look at this. The banana trees are down, plantain trees, everything down. Trust me, guys. Everything down. Look at this. Just look at this. Wow. This is crazy. Look at this. Nice banana here. Fall down. Yeah. And we also have a jelly tree down right here. Also. But I tell you, not a good sight. All the food's down. So I don't know when we're going to recover from this in terms of the farming and thing. But I'm telling you right now, see, coconut tree down on the ground. I mean, this one was rotting already still, you know. So it kind of suspect say we fall out. Yeah. Jelly tree down. Down, down, down. Oh, another coconut tree down right here also. Lot of trees are down. Whoa, pull through. You know. This is one of my neighbor house right here. Cousin. Yeah. Alright, so right now I'm there. Big on our show right now. I tell you.
Mash up. Well, I fret last night up pure.
I know it's
yeah. You know so, come in so.
You know so?
You know your stuff.
Jeez, whoa. You know start.
Yeah,
I tell you. So which part you end up go?
Eh?
Which part you end up go?
Come in so see me.
Look at this roof.
Right. The old strong still in but to the zinc them.
Yeah.
The zinc them get rotten.
And
just blow up. My time I say boy, me pack up say boy, me go run come up there car. Say boy if you so blow up boy. Me know.
Yeah, tell you. Time me I say you could have come up, you know. But sometimes you think about a thing, it was last minute.
Me couldn't make it again.
Yeah.
Me pack up say me say anyhow.
Yeah.
See then me blow up.
I eat that.
I eat that, me have to go run in the rain, go up there, nice start.
Jaja. Well, just give thanks for life.
Yeah,
That's all we have to give thanks for.
I have to lay down.
In the sun.
I lay down.
Look
here.
Look there. Whole wire gone down to, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man, me see it, man. I wickedest thing this, man. May I tell you, I wickedest thing this? She's done. I care. Me I go see how I go on here now. I look what I go on for the car. Down to my place now. One gungo tree there ground. Breadfruit tree gone. See? Breadfruit tree down. All together. So no. Yeah, man. Most trees are down. All collapse right here. Yeah, man. Collapse, all collapse. But just I check in and see what I go on with the car. All collapse. River. Right now my car is safe, thank God. I don't see no damages on the car. I was hoping say nothing not do it. And really give thanks say nothing not do it, trust me. Look at this now, river heavy right now. See? Over there. Rock collapse over there also. Yeah, man. And Yvette is right here with me too. She just give me.
What about? You see me with all we lost.
Yeah.
People we see up me I tell us so we mash
up here.
Mash up, man. Poland mash up. But we are alive still.
That's a great thing.
We are alright, you see we?
Yeah, that is it. So I check in for some more people and thing around the community. Whole community out together and attack and thing. Yeah. That a go on. See? Only a big rock stone come down to, you know. And thing. Yeah. Jaja. Road block. Hey, wire down. So right now just walking through the community. I tell you, I go through one thing. I'm not really, a lot of persons not going to be on this video because these people don't want to be on video. So I just say go. I'm full of pride, you know. So just I go through and show you where I go and see them way. Eh? Oh. Yeah, man. Oh, stop up there, so gone too. But you know, some people don't want to video them place, so I mean, go show too much. Certainly, unless they want it to go up on the video. But for now, road them block up just because of trees and things kind of block up the road so far. You see no major block yet still, but I know further on we are going to see some. So we just walk through and see what's going on. Yeah. Yes.
We can look way over town over so everywhere flat.
Alright, so just go through upon a little track here. Where you go on now, mommy?
Come in.
I said, come in. Water boots here. Come see you.
Water in like a river.
Water in like river.
See that? Water in like a river. See that? If you touch your water boot, they say, oh, see water around there like, whoa. See that?
I see.
You see it?
Water.
I show me chapal in over
my
bed.
bed.
So, over this bed there. You see when I come round so? That's how you have to put this a closet up.
Yeah, no.
Judgment, you know?
Judgment, yeah.
It's a more than judgment.
So when I rest one still, you know?
Yeah, come to see the man. Come. See that? See that? See that?
See?
See that? See that?
Water coming.
See that? See
One
that?
thing.
See that? See that? See that?
So look for the rooftop. So water still a drop. Me inside.
Water still a drop, man.
Water still a drop. Water soaking through the thing there.
The water.
Yeah. As you can see,
See water there. If it water around the same.
pure water there ground. She can just
Them drop ball now.
blow them out. Look
See
at
that?
it.
See water there.
Alright, so I see if I can catch the roof off. Yeah man, the roof. Piece of the roof off, so it let in a lot of water inside. But give thanks, no life, no loss. Yeah. Roof that gone off there, so wow. Great donut man this, you know. Yeah man. Yes, you go on with the honest time now.
As you can see, damage right here, you know?
Yeah, roof top gone.
Yeah.
So, on rain up, do?
You left out of this early, you know?
I left out time from early. Okay. So, see me can. Bless. Alright, see? Right now, looking at this house. Rooftop gone. Tree limb upon the house top and thing. Yeah man, I go come in. So I'm doing in my neighborhood documenting live from Balcarres, Portland right now. Yeah, so this is one of our neighbors on the roadside here in Portland. Yeah man, I tell you. So this is how the house team I go inside and show you what I go on. Alright, she said I can come in and take a look. Whoa mama, Jano mama. Oh, this is devastating. Look, suppose somebody was here. Jano Star. It's a good thing so we don't evacuate from early. Oh, in there, banga. Jano Star. Come true. See? Is this what happening in Portland, Western? Whoa, oh God. Donut man house, yeah. Great donut man house, you know. I tell you, Jano Star. So you secure all the documents and stuff like that?
Birth paper and so?
Yeah.
Man,
Oh, okay. Good.
Around there with the there now.
Okay.
Freddy?
Oh, yeah man, Freddy, I'm a cousin.
Okay, around there with them.
Oh.
This is a disaster. Last night, me a hear what going for me.
You just...
Died, them coming to know.
Okay. Well, the greatest thing in life, you know.
Yeah, cause I know so down there.
Yeah, greatest thing, you know, the move cards.
Yeah,
As much as me anticipate it, me never know, say. You done so rough, trust me. Because listening to the news, they said that Portland won't get it so, you know? But definitely, we can see everything here now, so just going around and checking on other persons, see what going on around. It's devastating, trust me. I never seen nothing like this before. Yeah. Look.
At the end of this, so I make you say yellow, brother.
Yellow breadfruit them there?
I don't know if yellow, white or pink, but I have to go now all two.
No, can't all two right now. All two no champagne. No, I'm not put her on. I just tell her to take up two. Alright, so I go through. I know one thing. This house just started the other day. And roof off. Oh, it's roof off, roof gone clear. Trust me. Yeah. Yeah, man. But we'll pull through. From we have life. You know, there is hope. Yeah. Wow. It's a disaster, man. I just document as much as I can document. So you guys can see what's going on the West Portland side as it relates to Buff Bay Valley. Eh? Alright, so we're in the next part of the community, you know. Check. I'll see what's going on. Here the boss are them at work already. Yeah, it's up far from the car, that's a great thing. Alright, so the next house in the community, see me? So Eric right now.
Ira, not Ira Lane.
Alright, so I see what I'm going zinc off and thing. Which one we can walk? You know, yeah man, see what I'm going? You know, star. So Eric house right now. Roof. So which part you end up go? Where you go? Roof lift off. Right, there's a zinc off. Wow, this is devastating. As you can see. Alright, so they have on the road the same way. See what go on? Road block here, so a tree come down in our road right here, so you know. Road block. Right here, so now. Road block. Road block up here, so you know. So this is how I go on a station. All cars now above the valley. See? Right, now road them just block up. Off your step cross and thing. See? Yeah, so I just walk through the community. Same way I'm still up on the go. Yeah man, a document so you guys can see what take place in my community. Yeah. So just a walk through right now. We can't drive or nothing. I just walk, we have to walk. Yeah, and thing. Walk, we have to walk. Alright, so see one power line down here. Yeah. See what go on? One power line down right here, so. No, when I no light, I get back for now. Yeah, so that's what I go on.